Ladies and gentlemen, and Transformers. Okay, let's try this out today. Let's talk, see what we can say. I'll tell you what my plans are. I am trying, or would like to, do comparisons, collaborations, spin-offs of icons like Mondial or 1998 Predator. Like that. Still tags. Old school box. And of course, a lot of Sambas. I have a lot of Sambas. Would like to do comparisons. Try to tell you about how does Adidas stack with the competitors. Obviously, you could tell that to me, Adidas stacks top versus the competitors. Not really a fan. And of course, as you've seen in the channel, I have Pumas and Diadoras and all the other. But Adidas takes the lead all the time for me. True to size, great quality, great attention to details. Not all feel great, Very rare single digit percentage are only good to look at and not to wear, Especially from certain spin-offs, or remakes. It's either I was younger and I couldn't feel certain pain points when I used to wear the shoes back in the day versus now where I have knee problems and all that good stuff. But I don't think they make them like how they used to. I'm talking about the ones that they are remaking. For examples like the Torsion Comps, like the ZX line, like the Edberg 86, like these, or the Ivan Lindell, the Tennis Super, which Adidas, if you're watching, for the love of all valuable and great, there's an Ivan Lindell pair of Adidas tennis shoes I think you guys made back in the early 90s. I need to bring back, man. I don't know the name, but man, I love that pair. It was the pair of the year back then. I think around 91, 92, 93-ish. I don't remember. But anyways, let's go back. Enough talking about Adidas. It's not like they're sponsoring me. I'm actually sponsoring them. Okay. So yeah, please comment in whatever. I've heard them say, please comment down below. All right. So if you guys want to do a comparison, if you guys want to do the spin-off, if you guys want to do the collaborations, like how the Ultra Boost with the Lego, because Adidas picked up the collaboration late, but they've been, hit the ground running. They did the Lego collaboration. They did Hello Kitty collaboration. They did Star Wars collaboration. Now they're doing Fortnite collaboration. And I'm not even talking about the other collaborations with Gucci, Mucci, and all these luxury brands that a Samba will be like $2,000. That's not going to happen. I ain't paying $2,000 for a Samba. I don't even think I ever paid full price for any of these, by the way, just to let you know. Yes, I don't have my priorities straight, to own all this stuff. But I don't think I ever paid full price. You want me to show you an example? These are running like what? 2,500 right now? $3,000? You want to see where I find them? Because I look for deals. I can find deals. You want to see how much I paid for them? $29.99 back in at Ross back in 98 or 99. I don't remember what year. So yeah, I don't think I've ever paid full price. As a matter of fact, I never. Love you, Adidas. Love the sales. This is what happens when you live in America. Living in America. You can't go wrong, baby. Can't go wrong living in America. I've seen Australians come over here, cousins of mine. When I take them to the outlets, it's like a kid in a candy store. Oh my God! $30 for Adidas. We have to half of our check go to the pair of shoes. Yep. It's the beauty of America, baby. Beauty of America. All right, let's go to Nike. Hello, Mr. Jordan. And Mr. George. Okay, as you know, Jordan 1s. What's the unique thing about it? The Nike Air swoosh on the tongue and not the Jumpman. The receipt's right there. I don't even show you. It's like 69 bucks when I picked it up. Look at that. What is that? 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 Oh my God. 69. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? All right, these are the 4s. Oh yeah, these are rare. Only one time re-released in 2006. They're called Tour Yellow. Yep, Tour Yellow. The one below it is all white. I don't feel like carrying it right now. What is this? Ooh, Jordan 5 Retro. That's cool. You know, still have all the logo, all the tags, the funky stuff that they put on the shoelaces, that thing that tells you the 5s and shows you all the 5s and, oh, whatever, the models. I'm not sure what color is in the bottom, so let's check it out. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Oh, they're all white too. That's the pair that my brother wore, the white and blue, and they fell apart the same day. So they have no durability. Zero durability. And by the way, I have the humidifier, it's stored in a room. All these shoes are stored in the same place. And these things fall apart. I have Nike Vomeros 4, 6, and 8. I try to wear the 8. And that black rubber that's stuck on, for traction, that's on the sole, fell off. Stopped flapping. I've never had an Adidas do this ever. There you go. What are these? 7th. What is this? I don't even know. I'm not gonna open it. What does it say here? What is this made in China? Cleaning. What? I can't see anymore. Cleaning brush. Okay. Cleaning brush. The other model, I believe, is just the white of the same Cleveland colors or something. All right. There you go. All right. These are the 12s, I believe. Yep. There you go. 13s. There you go. And 14s. Boom. I believe I have the black toe on the bottom. So this is all white. See? 8505. For you? Okay. And I believe this is the black toe they call it or something. I don't know what's so special about it, but is that a receipt? Let me see. Let me see. Still sell price. The show price. Full Locker. Let me see. Damn, brother. You paid $108 for it? All right. My brother. Not me. Alrighty. So yeah, if you want any unboxing of these or any shoe here, I'll be more than happy to do it. All right. Even sandals. I use these. I have a pair. Like I said, everything that I buy, I try to use. Put one in the box and one I own. Here, Copa Mundial, Gazelle, Super. LA Trainer 3, Samba Ricasso. That's one Samba. That's Ivan Lindell. I'm just borrowing boxes here at this point. That's another Ivan Lindell. That's the Tennis Super. Forum 85 high AEC. Those ones that they show wear and tear, like they've been worn. Forum 84 high. A lot of torsion artillery. I like that. 90s. Copa Super. Mondial Gold. These are all Kangaroo, by the way. That was before the ban in California. Sobokov 90 P94s, D0. These are the first releases. I have the first one, and this came right after. $79.99. Like that. Ooh, look, Mondial Gold used to be $95. These are Kangaroos. Copa Premier. It's for a kid. You know, you see the collaboration? The Grinch last year? Cindy Lou Who and all that good stuff. This is Adidas's Croc answer, I guess. Sambas, Torsion, Edbar Comp. These are all collaboration. These are the collaboration. Let me show you. These are not collaborations. Like more of a, yeah, it's like that consortium, I believe. See how like they have it with Hall. These are Torsion Comps. That's another AEC. Here, these are the 2010 All-Star West Conference. Adidas. You'll see them in one of my shorts videos. Torsion Comp. I'm a sucker for a torsion. Court Strategy, Torsion Comp, Gazelle Super, Samba Super, ZXs, Jeans Super. I think they only did one re-release and that's it. Edbark 86. Those are very rare. Tennis Supers are very rare. Torsion Comp. Yeah, I don't hike, but I had to have one. Forms. I have a lot of forms. You know, there's kind of like 3 or 4 types of forms. These are the original forms. And the leather was so soft and nice. Now you get these thick, very hard leather. It takes forever to break them in, but it makes sense because now it's kind of like the forms are almost or are skater shoe. So they have to make them very durable. You know, Samba OG, Samba Recon, that's another Samba. Ultra Boost 22, I use the 21 for workouts, great. Ultra Boost 1.0, Ultra Boost 21, I'm using the box because I wear it. So there's Adidas Universal. For you that don't know who Universal is or what Universal is, Adidas Universal is like for the, like a poor man's Sambas, they made them and they stopped. So I have a pair. Web Boost, you know, spin-offs of the Ultra Web or like Ultra Boost. That's an Ultra Boost 5.0 DNA. So I believe that 5.0 DNA, it was a mix of the one and the other one that came after it, the 1.0. Classic OG, Edberg 86, Predator 94. Buzznates, these are the ones that are the Copa Mundial spin-offs. Mondial Team. You see, everything is like spin-off and a ton of these. Like, that's not the true box retro. These are Forum, Home Alone 2, the Pigeon Lady. Okay, these are Centennial 85. So these are all spin-offs of Forums or different types of Forum Low, which is originally was a basketball shoe introduced by Adidas back in the 70s or 80s. Even Jordan wore those before he signed with Nike. So, yeah. You guys let me know. Be more than happy to do it. Obviously, I got a lot of Tango balls. That's the icon from the 99 Women World Cup. Original Tangos. The last tango that was made for the Australian, I don't know if it was Olympics or I don't know what games they were. But yes, I got the Pumas. Pumas are all that I have are all the BMW spin-offs, which is Puma's very, very smart in collaboration. They'll grab an ordinary, like how Adidas uses Sambas or Forum, but mainly Sambas and Ultra Boost to trying to do collaborations. Puma, I believe the one that started it, or for me, that's when I've noticed it, is when they signed Ferrari, they signed Mercedes, which is now AMG's with Adidas. And also, they signed Porsche, and you have soccer teams like AC Milan, Borussia Dortmund, like soccer clubs and other clubs. And what they do is they grab their, let's say, a common shoe that they have, and they'll just change the colors and put a logo on the tongue, and boom, it becomes an AC Milan or it becomes a BMW M Motorsport, MMS, and we suckers run and buy them. I have plenty of those. I've tried to wear a couple of them. They're not comfortable. They're weird. It's not only the right fit. They're not true to size. I believe they are a half a size to one size smaller. Same thing with Nike, either half a size or one size smaller. But it's weird with the Puma. You'll get a half size bigger or a size bigger. It still doesn't sit right. For me, maybe for other people, it's perfect. I don't have a wide foot, you know. I'm kind of normal, right? This one is more jacked up because I played soccer all my life and it's like kind of like, oh, messed up. But yeah, I'll stick with Adidas. I tried the Hoka, by the way. My buddy convinced me to try a Hoka, but the Bondi 7, worst investment. Not only they look like your special needs when you wear them, they're uncomfortable to me, but a lot of people swear by them. Same thing with the OnCloud. I've owned OnCloud when they first came to the US market back in, I don't know when, early 2000s, I believe. And Finish Line sold them, bought them. They weren't good. Do I need to try the other ones to give them another chance? I really don't need to. I'm happy with Ultra Boost. But yeah, you guys can tell me how great the OnCloud, and if you guys compare them to the original OnCloud, the initial ones that they came. Yes. So that was long. Shit, I'm tired. I need to go drink water. Oops, excuse my French. Anyways, yeah, please let me know anything you want from unboxing, comparison, 1v1, whatever you guys want. Just let me know. All right. Ciao.